Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna show you what that BMW front differential looked like. The one we were upgrading a few weeks ago. We were upgrading the one to go into the car, and this is the one that came out of it with the exact issue we were trying to avoid. So let's take it apart and see what's inside. Alright. Oh, wow. We have a piece of round steel that was just sitting here and looks like rubbing onto this ring gear. Yeah. Well, let's see what it looks further down in there. Oh. The differential had just fallen out, basically. There is no pin anymore. Here is the pinion gear. Really cool. Missing a couple of teeth sections. There is a piece of case that's also been broken. Piece of casting had just broken off. There's all these metal and washers and whatnot. The gears didn't really get damaged too much, but there is no pin. The pin was completely ground down. This is where the pin was sitting before. And this is probably what's left of the pin, just that ball of steel is the only thing that's resembling the pin that used to be here. See this side, it did not really break much. But this side is where it came out. So as soon as it came out loose into the ring gear, it immediately hit that pinion gear, and that's it. And then it's just meat grinder from there. Yeah. So make sure to check out the other video where we show how we upgraded that differential to keep that pin in there. Oh, and I finally can see what is holding that pin. So this is the ring, the little snap ring, the internal snap ring that used to be holding that pin in there. So over time, I guess, the pin just wobbles around and like makes this place where it's at a little bit bigger, a little bit larger hole, and then it just comes out loose once the hole is large enough. It came out into this side, which I don't know if it had any pin and any snap rings or not, because it's already like demolished. It's a huge pounded hole, like it's been pounding here for quite a bit of time. It finally broke loose. So yeah, I think our upgrade will work, and I guess we will see in a few years or so, maybe sooner. Max is really aggressive driver. He's gonna probably destroy it within a half a year or so, or maybe not destroy it. That will prove it that the fix is working. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.